Now, in this problem, again, all resistance equivalent is going to be all resistance of R ohms only, and he is asking us to find resistance across equivalent resistance across A and B. Okay, first let me go ahead with, because across AB symmetry is there, means across terminals current symmetry is there. Here also symmetry is there. Okay, first let me go ahead with current symmetry, because with voltage symmetry or folding symmetry, star delta conversion we are supposed to do. Okay, anyway, with current symmetry, star delta conversion need not be done. So first let me go ahead with current symmetry. See here, for example, here this current is I. Means if I connect one voltage source across A and B. Okay, so from voltage source, if current entry is I to voltage source, current reach should be I, exit should be I. Okay, now after that, for example, this current is I1 leaving to here, symmetry. So the moment current is I1, here current should be I1, because I1 is leaving from here, exit, I1 has to enter from the same. For example, here if I2 is leaving from here, forget about it, I2 has to reach here, I2. Okay, now here if I3 should go through this resistance, means that same I3 should come out of this resistance. Okay, actually few people may be confused. Okay, why I have taken I1. No, actually this is going to be the split. Okay, so symmetry, so entry current is I1, forget about it, as entry current is I1, here this is actually, from here 3 resistors are there, from here 3 resistors are there. Okay, so I1 through this resistance means that come to the other side, I1 should reach here. If I2 is entering here, I2 should reach here. Okay, now if you observe, see here I1 is entering and leaving, I2 is entering and leaving, I3 is entering and leaving. So what is the purpose of this? Not required. Okay, so now if you go ahead and means simple, R, so R, 2R. Okay, so 2R by 3 will be the answer. Okay, of course, as a homework you can do, like you can go ahead with voltage symmetry also. Okay, how to do voltage symmetry, I'll tell you now. How to do voltage symmetry? Voltage symmetry in the sense we should go ahead with voltages. Okay, so except terminals. So under that conditions, it should be like this. Okay, so under that conditions, if you observe, okay, if it is VA, it is VB. Symmetry like this. If it is V1, it will be V1. Okay, maybe this is V2. Okay, now VA to V1 R, VB to V1 R, and V1 to V2 R, and VA to V2 R, V2 to VB R. Okay, so in that way you can try. I am requesting you people to do it. So anyway, answer is done, problem is solved.